What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on SOFI Stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news, and I have to say that we have potentially extremely bullish news that might drive the price of this asset even higher. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point, and I've told you that this price action was extremely healthy because we had very good volume confirming this movement to the upside. It hit the range of resistance that I marked previously about several weeks or even months ago, and then we had this consolidation phase in the shape of symmetrical triangle. And my main assumption was that as long as we were approaching to this apex, we have to see the breakout. And this breakout might go either way. Most likely it should go higher, but we have to have the confirmation of this breakout with the volume. And this breakout happened to the upside, but with this volume that is not sufficient to confirm it, we have this weaker price action that had movement to the downside, but eventually it found another range of support from the level of this previous swing low and these several tops at $5.5 mark, roughly this range. And from this level we have an increasing volume, increasing green volume, as you can see, and with this very good candle with the good volume, we confirmed the breakout above this range of resistance, and right now we are exactly at $6 mark. So this movement is still very technical, and I will show you in my technical analysis what should we expect next. But for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. So what was the reason of this movement to the upside? Let me show you this article that was published just 12 hours ago, and it says, SOFI Stock Alert. Did SOFI just acquire a mortgage lender? And the key bullets are following. Fintech specialist SOFI Technologies jumped about 6% on Friday afternoon. Rumors circulated on social media that its subsidiary merged with the mortgage lender. SOFI Stock faces credibility hurdles amid key headwinds. So, definitely we all know that the banking crisis was extremely difficult for a lot of banks, a lot of US banks, but SOFI, I have to say, passed this crisis extremely well, and it didn't have a lot of sell-offs during basically from the beginning of March, and it held pretty good. And this was an extremely powerful sign that this asset might see some bullish news in upcoming days that might drive its price higher. And it happened. Let me show you that the rumors began from this post that was made 2 days ago by Bander 9000, and previously he had a lot of predictions that became a reality. This means this source has enough credibility, especially for SOFI insights. And let me quote you this. SOFI acquires mortgage firm, award-winning team to join SOFI, official announcement imminent. And the key bullets are following. SOFI has acquired a top-rated mortgage lender and servicer. Award-winning mortgage team to join SOFI in acqui-hiring victory. This means they will add the team of this mortgage lender to their own team. Buyout integrates mortgage vertically within SOFI. Multi-decades-old mortgage lender is seasoned, data-rich, and an automation leader. The purchase was long signaled by SOFI management. Integration includes new technology partner. SOFI's takeover of the firm is live. Terms are not yet disclosed. An official announcement is expected soon. And I have to say that most likely this announcement will be disclosed this Monday, and definitely this news was quite interesting in terms of its basically details, because even with this quite bullish news in general, we might see extremely unfavorable conditions of this acquisition. Definitely it is not the 100% guaranteed, but it might happen, and this means we cannot rely for 100% on these rumors, especially without the major details. So let me continue with this article, and right here we can see the link on Twitter that also pretty much confirms this acquisition, and it says articles of merger for SOFI acquisition of Windy Home Capital filed earlier today in North Carolina. Effective date of merger is next Monday, April the 3rd. Official announcement from company with details of acquisition may not be until then. And here is the screenshots of this merger, and let me show you quite interesting detail. Right here we can see the date, April the 3rd, and the signature. And I have to say that it is not the signature of Anthony Noto, it is the signature of Chad Barton, the president of SOFI Lending Corp. And this means, I think, we are about to see the further integration of different types of businesses inside SOFI, and this leads to more diversified structure of this company. That definitely leads to even stronger position on the market. So it is quite good news, but we have to see this confirmation. And at the point when these rumors become a reality, and with the good terms, with the good details of this acquisition, definitely the price of SOFI will skyrocket. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I have to say that this movement is quite bullish by itself, because it has a higher volume that it had previously during this consolidation phase, but we are still not out of the woods, because we have to break these several tops that were the previous swing highs, and we have about 14% to the first one, to this level, and about 19% to the second one. And on my previous video I've told you that definitely this range where you could accumulate your position was quite lucrative, because we had absolutely the same price targets in a medium-term perspective, and it was about 20% to the first level and about 27% to the second one, with a quite tight stop loss, which implies a very lucrative risk to reward ratio. And I still stand on my position that SOFI might hit higher targets, but let me show you this. If we connect these tops, these bottoms, we have this bottom and several this one, without this blip below this range of support, and connect these tops. As you can see, we have some kind of channel, and it is not the perfect channel, because we didn't even hit the highest point right here, and we barely hit this range of resistance. And this means if this asset breaks this line, this resistance, definitely we will have more confirmation of new uptrend, and especially if the confirmation of volume will be on our side, this will lead to more bullish pressure on SOFI. So, and definitely, if you want to accumulate your position, first of all, do your own due diligence and decide whether this asset is worth your attention or not. But in general, let me switch again to daily time frame, zoom out, and let me show you the price action of this asset from the very beginning. And right here, as you can see, we have quite healthy movement to the upside. Then we have this type of retracement and another leg, the beginning of new leg to the upside that might break even this range of resistance at $8 mark. So in general, in a greater scale, this asset, in my opinion, is still extremely attractive, because it has very high upside potential, even in a medium-term perspective of about 42%. And I think it will reach this level by the end of first half 2023, and this means these enormous profits might be yours if you properly manage your position. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium